There's a fish right there. Oh, that feels like a pretty good one too. Yeah, that's a good fish, or else he's got himself a mouthful of hooks and turned a little sideways on me. Feels like a really good fish. You know, one of the biggest tricks to fishing in big wind and waves is being able to keep your boat a lot of times in the troughs. And if you can stay in the trough, a couple things happen. One, you can maintain your speed a lot easier than if you're going with the waves or against them, because if you're going with them, they're going to speed you up every time, and if you're going against them, they're going to stop you every time you hit a wave. So ultimately, being able to steer that boat and keep yourself in the troughs and be able to make constant adjustments as the wind pushes you different directions is really, really key. I know a lot of guys tie their motors together. They'll tie their kicker motor to their big motor and they sit there at the wheel and they deal with it that way. But here's what I don't like about that. I've never done that. When I do that, when I tried it, here's what I didn't like about it. Now, right now, when I'm fighting that fish, I've got to have somebody there steering. If there's two of us, that means I don't got anybody to net the fish. If I'm fishing by myself, filming Destination Fish TV, here's the thing. I might not have anybody by the time I send a guest up there to deal with that. Now I'm all alone. Or if I'm filming Fish Ed, I'm usually by myself. So when it comes down to it, I want a system that allows me to fight the fish. Big walleye, big fish. I want a system like what I'm using that allows me to fight this fish and be at the back of the boat and still be able to net them. And I can do that. This is a nice walleye, big fish. Ooh, oh, he got off right there. Man, that was a giant. Let me explain this to you though. Here's the thing. Every now and then that's gonna happen right there. And that's okay, that's part of fishing. But here's the thing. I'm using the T5 Electro Steer from Panther. And what that allows me to do is right here with my Trollmaster system, I can actually steer this boat with the Electro Steer side through this remote, and I can pick my speed. And that Electro Steer system in itself allows me to keep the boat in these troughs. And if I can keep the boat in the troughs and steer like that, I can go anywhere in the boat. I can fish from the back using this remote. I can fish from the front. I can sit at my steering wheel. I can do anything I want to do. And it allows me to control that speed with precision. It's a Panther T5 Electro Steer. I tell you what, it's a cool deal. If you look at it, it's as simple as a bar system. Whoops, sorry, hit the wrong button. I hit my max throttle. You can steer it though, just like this. I mean, it's a simple deal, and I can be anywhere in the boat and steer the boat. That was a good walleye. That was just one of them bad luck deals. That's gonna happen every now and then, but you know what? The reason we're being bit by those fish is we have constant boat control with this Panther T5 Electro Steer and that Trollmaster system all tied together. You wanna catch more walleyes? You want a boat a few like that one right there? We've boated most of them today. That's the only one we've had that happen on. But you wanna catch more walleyes? Get one of these systems on your kicker motor, make you a heck of a lot more efficient.